What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. The following techniques can help you erase bad credit from your report. They are all based on your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Statute of Limitations has expired. Credit bureaus are required to ensure that they do not allow outdated negative information to remain on a credit file after 7 years, except for bankruptcy, which can remain for up to 10 years and in some places up to 14 years. So when you are ready to start the deletion process, you should first take a look at how long the negative items have been on your record. If you find items that have been reported past the prescribed time periods on your credit report, you should contact the credit bureau and demand that the negative information be removed immediately. Incorrect information. The credit bureaus are required to remove or correct errors on your credit report and to do so within the prescribed time period. So if you dispute an item in your credit report and the credit bureau cannot verify the information within 30 days, the item must be deleted. Reasonable period of time. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires that items be deleted if they cannot be verified within 30 days. If you dispute any negative entry on your report, the credit bureau must reinvestigate it within a reasonable period of time. If the credit bureau fails to reconfirm the information in a timely manner, the disputed item must be deleted from your file. Credit bureau fails to investigate. When you start firing off numerous verification requests and paperwork start piling up, mistakes can occur. The dispute letter might get lost, which should result in a non-response. These items must be removed. Always use certified mail, return receipt requested, so that you would have proof that they received it. Creditor cannot be contacted by the credit bureau. Disputed item that cannot be verified must be removed from your credit file. When you dispute a negative entry in your file, the credit bureau will contact the creditor in order to verify the disputed item. If the creditor cannot be contacted by the credit bureau, the disputed item must be deleted. Disputing directly with the creditor. If the credit bureau were able to verify any disputed item as correct, it would remain on your credit report. Dispute the information with the creditor if the credit bureau's investigation results in no change to your report. If you dispute an item with a creditor, they may not report the information without including a notice of your dispute. Simply write a letter to the creditor with whom you have a dispute, and tell them why the item should be removed from your record. Ask them to send you written proof and documentation that supports their claim, since you do not believe they are correct. Many times the creditor has lost records of the original, signed contracts and other original documents, and therefore cannot re-verify it. It must then be deleted. Use any one or all of these reasons to clean up your credit and go get that money.